Now that we've created our new user profile feed view set, let's test it in the Chrome browser. Start by minimizing Atom and load up the git bash window that's connected to our server. Let's start our development server by typing python manage.py run server 0.0.0.0:8080 and hit enter to start the server. Once the server's running, we can minimize the git bash and open up the Google Chrome window. We're going to go to the API root of our API and notice that the new feed item has been added to the list of APIs available. This is our new feed API. Let's click on it to view it. You can see here that an error has occurred. This error is because I missed the D of the created on field in the serializers. Maybe you spotted this as I entered it earlier on and you didn't receive this error, but if you made the same mistake as me, then let's head back to the Atom editor and open the serializers file to correct it. Once you're on the serializers, come here to the bottom and notice that the created on field is misspelled. Let's add the D to correct the error and save the file. The Django development server will automatically reload in the background, and then we can just refresh our API, and this time it worked. So this is our user profile feed API. Let's make sure that the authorization header is checked and that we're logged into the API. So if it's unchecked, then check it and then refresh the page. You can see now that I'm logged in as mark@londonappdeveloper.com. Let's create a test status for our user. Just type any old text in here. Let's call it test status 1 and hit post to create a new status. You can see that it successfully creates a status item. Let's go back to the feed and let's see what happens if we try and create a status when we're logged out. So uncheck the authorization header and then refresh the page to reload the feed. You can see now that we're not logged in as any particular user, so we're just logged out. Let's type a new status as test status 2 and hit post. You can see that another error has occurred. This time, the error is because we're trying to create a user profile status and assign it to the currently logged in user. However, there isn't a currently logged in user because we haven't enabled the authorization token. We're going to fix this in the next lesson when we add permission classes to our user profile view set. That way, we can ensure that only users who are logged in can create new feed items. So that's how you test the user feed item. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.